Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some chicken tikka kebabs on the Ninja Woodfire. We use some charcoal pellets and Dutch's homemade tikka mix. In the pack here we've got about 500 grams of chicken breast. We're just going to take them out, we're going to cut them down the middle and we're going to cube up into about 3 equal pieces. We want some nice big chunks of this chicken breast. These chicken breasts are just run-of-the-mill supermarket chicken breasts. There's nothing fancy about them, not corn fed or anything like that. So we're just going to keep on cutting these up into big chunks. These tail butts we're going to cut up and then fold them up. As you can see, lovely big chunks all into a bowl. Then we're going to take Dutch's Tikka Spice Mix. This is my own mix. I'll put a link up above and also down in the description below. So we're going to give these a good covering in this spice mix. Don't hold back on it. This is where the flavour's coming from. You could add this to yoghurt, but I'm worried about the yoghurt burning in the Ninja with the high quick cooking heat. So there we go. Pop this in the fridge for an hour. Overnight is always best. This has been in the fridge for an hour, so we're just going to take some cubes, thread them onto our skewers here. I'm just going to put a small bit on there, trying to avoid any bits hanging down and don't cramp them up too much. That's one done. We'll just carry on building these. Like I say, this is a big bit here, so we're going to go through long ways. There's another one done, and finally the last one. I'm just going to fold this bit under and slide it on. We'll get these over to the Ninja. We've got one hopper of charcoal pellets. These are available from the Ninja Pellet Man. I'll put a link down below for you. So all we're going to do now is just load these onto this kebab rack that I've got. Shut the lid. We're going to set to smoker. We're going to set the temperature to 160 degrees C. Leave it on 45 minutes. We ain't going to take that long. And press ignite. As you can see, the smoke's rolling out the back now. And we're ready. These tikka kebabs have had just over 16 minutes and we'll take a look, and already look at the colour on that chicken. Get the lid shut and we're going to go until we reach 74 degrees C of internal temperature. These kebabs now have had exactly 20 minutes. That's only 20 minutes in the Ninja Woodfire. And we've got an internal temperature of 76. That's good enough for me. We'll get these plated. Just got a garlic naan, bit of green stuff, and we're just going to layer our chicken tikka skewers up. We're going to add some of Dutch's homemade mint yogurt. We're going to put a link above for this, and also some chili mayo. So just look at that, 20 minutes in the Ninja Woodfire. Going to go in for a bit of a taste. That chicken's still moist. You can really taste that tikka spice coming through. A little bit of mint yogurt on it. And just a little hint of that charcoal. Obviously 20 minutes, it's not going to take on a lot of charcoal flavour, but these are really nice. But for 20 minutes, a quick cook for a quick tea, you can't beat the Ninja Woodfire.